Today we're making this amazing churros and hot chocolate snack that's very easy to make, very crunchy, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. To my saucepan, I added in water, followed by sugar, salt, and butter. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once the butter is added, go ahead on the fire, let it cook slowly until it has melted completely before going in with the flour. But please off the fire before adding in your flour. Once the flour is added, make sure you stir it continuously. You do not want it to form lumps, so make sure you stir it continuously. Bring them together until you get to this point. Now transfer it into a different bowl, spread it and let it slightly cool down before going in with the rest of the ingredients. So let it sit for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in vanilla extract and eggs. So the eggs, I used 2 eggs, but I didn't add it to it all at once, one at a time. I then mixed until it has come together before adding in the next egg. Make sure you whisk your eggs before putting it in and then bring everything together. So this is very simple. It is easy and it is very delicious. It should be something like this when done. Transfer it into your piping bag and you're good to go. Very easy, so simple. You have a crunchy churros. It's very nice. Try this amazing recipe and you will love it. So before frying it, make sure you go ahead and brush a parchment paper with butter to prevent it from sticking to it when frying. But if you want, you can even do it directly in the oil, but I prefer making it like this. At least you get it all at once, you get one size. So I prefer making it like this. If you want, you can just go ahead and do it in the oil. When done, preheat the oil and fry these good girls. So all you have to do is to bring them, put it inside the oil, take out the parchment paper. As you can tell, it was very easy for me to take out the parchment paper because I spread it with the butter, so it was very easy to come out. So please make sure you spread it with softened butter before putting it on it. Stay close to it. Keep turning it until it's slightly golden brown and you are good to go. Just look at this. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, but delicious as well. But I did mine with hot chocolate, but if you want, you can coat them in sugar with cinnamon powder and you are good to go. But I prefer coating it, dipping it in hot chocolate. When you get to this point, remove it from the oil, drain the excess oil on a paper towel and then coat it in sugar if you want to. But I want hot chocolate, so I use this brand of chocolate pudding. All you have to do is put milk in your saucepan, put 1 sachet in and then whisk until it's creamy like this off the fire and you're good to go. So it's very simple, very easy, very interesting and delicious. Make this amazing snacks for your guests and they will love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, follow my page if you haven't already. See you till then. Bye.